same.
Ooh, mug. Catfish, yeah. Has the whiskers. That one is crab. Carp. That one, carp.
That's a car.
He looks blind. In one eye. Ooh, that's huge.
Oh, there's a big catfish right there. That catfish. Condensed. Where? There's more fish.
Oh, look at that. Nasa sea yung mga fish. There's a lot of bears in here. Nasa jungle tayo. Oh, may umakyat. Kala mo totoong tao. Ito ang vents nila. Oh, sige, ulitin. Artistic. It will be nice if we have like this in the backyard. Hunting. Kailangan yan sa Pilipinas. Mag-boots yung mga tao dun pagka rainy season.
Looks very sturdy though.
They're heavy.
You see, it looks like that at Goodwill.
They're heavy.
They're probably really dirty.
Buy it.
$200.
What's the brand name?
Naghahunt.
Zamberland.
Oh, ang mahal naman yan.
For $39. $4.19. So I'm saying if you see that at the OPJ, sell it for $100.
Yeah, you think it's not that
Yeah.
expensive.
But someone who knows.
Yeah. Oh! Lalaki. Lalaking animals. Nasa forest. Nasa jungle.
Yeah, like these ones, they're meant to be for the outdoors. So it's gonna be really good.
You like that, Isa? Croc something?
Yeah.
Masakit sa paa yan.
Hmm?
Masakit sa paa.
What does that mean?
It's
Ugly?
not comfortable sa feet.
It's not?
No.
I heard
It's
people
hard.
say it is. I think the way that it's like shaped is like for your arch. It is, but I don't know. I didn't try it.
I see people wearing that, but to me it looks ugly.
Yeah, it is ugly.
54.99 here, or 59.99.
The other one is colorful. Mahal naman, $54.99. Oh yan, yan ang kailangan natin. O bakit mahal? Ah, maraming
Because it has a
oo.
to make a kitchen in the cabin,
Yeah.
and you can hang.
Yeah. Table lang ang kailangan natin. Right. We don't camp.
Camp in the backyard.
Then we need tent. Sa gubat. Maraming animals. Ito, may gusto na eh. Ito, may gusto na. Wow, 46,000. Itong boat na ito.
You wanna come?
Hindi na. Umuuga yata yung ano. Hahakbang ka pa sa ano. Oh. Hindi na.
I can hold you.
Never mind. Nako, pagbababa ako, ayoko ano, mahihilo ako. Pagbaba. Kasi nakikita ko, yeah.
So she could sit on this.
Huh? Is there another stairs?
Okay.
Hindi na lang.
You cannot.
Yeah. Kasi ano ko pag may butas-butas yung hagdanan.
Okay.
Yeah. Ayaw kong sumakay, makakalula. Ay, si Aiza. Ayun sila. Okay, drive. Aiza. Aiza, you drive. Drive.
I guess we can go back and then find parking.
We have like a couple minutes.
It's 6:33.
30 minutes?
5:22 is the beginning.
That one's only 34,000.
Only, ha?
$100.
Ay! $300.
Because it's a Cordova. It's a Cordova.
Oh, kaya mahal? That's the price. Expensive ice box. Ice juice.